Jamaica College is represented this evening by Ryoma Muir, Mason J. Edwards, Team Captain Marvin White, and Jamarly Banton. While the Manning School is represented by Team Captain Ciara Hall, Chris Andre Bowes, Dante Lewis, and Donnell Atkinson. Only one of these teams will move on to the quarter-finals. Hello everyone and welcome to round 3 action here in TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I am Jean-Paul Menu. It all comes down to this: high schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Jamaica College won but decided to let Manning's School go first. So we begin with Manning's School. The section lasts for 4 minutes. Let's get that time on the clock, please. We have it, Manning School. So this evening we're beginning with Spanish. Correct the error, if any, in this sentence. Mi hermano es en la escuela.
S should be esta.
S should be esta.
That's correct. Spanish. Jamaica College. Correct the error, if any, in this sentence. La libro es sobre la mesa.
La libro. La should be el.
That should be el.
Yes, incomplete. S should also be esta. Local affairs, a visual question for Manning School. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Yes. Marlon Morgan.
Marlon Morgan.
Government Senator, correct. Local affairs for JC. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Christian Tavares Vincent.
Christian Tavares Vincent.
Christian Tavares Vincent.
Correct. Both gentlemen government senators. Information technology, Manning School. What is the name for a server that acts as an intermediary between a user's device and the internet, forwarding requests and hiding the user's IP address?
Proxy server.
Yes, sir?
Proxy server.
Proxy server.
Very good. Information technology, Jamaica College. What is the name for the unique hardware identifier which is permanently assigned to a network device for identification on a local network?
IP address.
IP address.
No, it's a media access control or MAC address. Literature, Manning School. Which Jamaican wrote the poem If We Must Die?
Claude Mackay. What am I saying?
Claude Mackay. Claude Mackay.
That's right. Literature, Jamaica College. Which English poet wrote the work A Contemplation Upon Flowers?
Henry King.
Henry King.
Correct. Music and audio question for Manning School. Listen to the following clip and give the title of the song here.
When everything gets in the way, seems you cannot be.
As it was. As it was.
Harry Styles. That's right. Music for JC. Listen to the following clip. Give the title of this song.
Break my soul.
Break my soul.
Queen Bee, that's right, Jamaican Heritage Manning School. Which Jamaican proverb that has the word monkey means the more powerful you get, the more your flaws show?
The higher the monkey climb, the more he makes pose. The higher the monkey climb, the more he makes pose.
That's right, Jamaican Heritage JC, who was the first Jamaican scientist to create a nutraceutical product approved by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA.
Henry Lowe.
Henry Lowe.
Dr. Lowe, that's right. Theatre and cinema, a visual question for Manning School. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress, please.
Kristen Stewart.
Kristen Stewart.
No, it's Vanessa Kirby. Theatre and cinema for JC. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress, please.
We win Francis McDormand.
Francis McDormand.
Francis McDormand.
That's right. French for Manning School. What is the French word for the beach?
Beach. La playa.
No, that's Spanish. La plage. French, JC. What is the French word for the future?
La Rivière.
No, l'avenir. Sport, a visual question for Manning School. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Coach. Lenworth Hyde.
Lenworth Hyde.
No, it's Maurice Wilson, local athletics coach, Sports for JC. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
David Riley.
David Riley. David Riley.
Also a local athletics coach, biology. Oh, and we don't have time for biology. That's the bell already. That's the end of the opening challenge. Let's take a look at the scores in the match. Jamaica College and Manning Schools seem to be all tied up on 6 points each. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Don't go anywhere. Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.